On December 3rd, every year, World Disabled Day is celebrated. This World Disabled Day gives a special significance. People who are differently abled, they have to have self-confidence that they're also an equal part of the society. They are no less than any other able people. To give this message, tomorrow we are arranging a special walk for the disabled or especially able people at Necklace Road in Hyderabad. As a part of this, Hyderabad Metro Rail is collaborating with different disability groups, organizations, NGOs, etc. Basically to create the awareness and to bring about the latest technologies and the latest facilities to Hyderabad city as a part of Hyderabad Metro Rail project. For example, as a part of this project, we are making our metro stations and metro trains completely barrier free. That is, you have special arrangements, ramps will be there. From the ramps, you can easily access the lifts. In the lift also, we have designed the features in such a way, including the buttons. Buttons will also have braille so that the blind people can easily follow and press the thing. From there, you go to the concourse level to platform level. Again, separate tactile strip we are arranging so that blind people on their own, by tapping with their walking stick, actually, see, they will be able to find their way. They will go to the lift, feel it, the braille script. Actually, from there, they go to the place where they want. And even the wheelchairs, to be accommodated. Lift we are designing specially so that bigger wheelchairs also can fit into these bigger lifts. Then the blind people on their own, they can go right up to the platform edge where they will be indicated that they should stop there with this tactile strip. And a special arrangement is there, actually, see, to get into the trains. The door closure, door opening, and the platform, the gap is minimal so that nobody gets trapped into that, and wheelchair can easily be moved into the trains. So like that, number of arrangements. The toilet facilities which we are giving to the physically disabled people are special. We are making that arrangement. Even the wheelchair can be locked in the train. A special grab we are creating for that. So like that, number of facilities we are creating for those who are mobility wise impaired or speech impaired or visually impaired. There are different impairments. To take care of all the needs of all these people, to cater to the needs of these people, we are making special arrangements so that they feel confident and they are able to travel on their own without anybody's assistance. This is our project.